Hello guys, welcome to BST African Electronic Surgery on a Sunday. I didn't come to fix anything today, but if you are addicted with something, it's like someone who smoke cigarettes. At some point when you get addicted, you can't live without. Same with electronics. So I have a small speaker here. These are some kind of Bluetooth speaker. Here we have the switch thing. The speaker is not turning on, it's just dead. You see, you can hear the switch is clicking. So can you fix just one on a Sunday? Can we? Let's try to fix this one. Okay, if we can, let's take maybe we can plug it to charger and see what's going on here. My USB power meter is on screen. You can see this one, which is changing 4.97 0 amps. There's no load there. Let's plug in the charger. It's taking like 360 milliamps, and I can't see the charging light. It's just dead. So what can be the problem here? I can see it's taking some current, but it's not turning on. So let's open and see what can be the problem here. Let's see. I don't want to spend too much time, because it's Sunday. So whatever I'm gonna fix here should be as fast as like less than 10 minutes job. Hopefully learning is taking place wherever you are, and I'm also learning a lot of things from you guys. I do appreciate for all your feedback. Thank you so much. So that's the speaker connector, this one, and here we have the one for the antenna. Okay, and that's all. So that's the board. So just to finish opening our Bluetooth speaker. So I can see the charging port from here. Maybe we need extra light. 1 second. Good. Now looks better. So do have the charging port here. If I look on the other side of the charging port here, the charging port looks solid. Let's plug in again. Or let's check the battery voltage if you can. Let's check what voltage do we have there on the battery. Minus, plus. Zero 0.3, 0.7. Okay, let's unplug the battery. Let's plug the charger and see if we have 5 volts coming from the charging port to the terminals. Check. You can see, soon as I disconnect the battery, we now have light. You can turn it off, on, it's working. So what can be the problem? Let's check battery voltage. If you can. Zero 0.7. Okay. What I want to do, we want to charge the battery first and see if this battery is too good, and then we plug it on and see what's going on. Just wait a moment. So what I'm doing, we do have a battery here. I disconnect it from the main board. That's the minus and plus, and our battery is charging fine. So let's just be patient and charge the battery. After that, we'll see what's going on with this radio. Let's see now. What do we have on the battery? I don't want this charger at the moment. Let's check now. Remember, we checked it first. There was something like 0.7 volts. Now (3.87). You see? Let's plug in the battery. Let's insulate here. Again, let's recheck again. (3.81). You can see on the multimeter on the screen down there. So let's insulate those wires. What I want to do, let's plug in back the battery here and try to power it on. It's on. What about charging? Sorry, so let's continue with our repair. So I charged the battery Now you can turn on the radio. You can see it's on, but we still have a problem there. The problem, you can't charge it. It's not charging. You can see it's not charging for the reason which I don't know. Let's check if we have any voltage coming to the plus terminal. So why? I just bend my finger. So here we have the charging port, and next to the charging port, that's the charging IC for this kind of radio. And this chip is getting very hot. You can't even hold it, because here we must have charging light here. So it's coming on because the battery is fully charged, but it's not charging. So yeah, that's another lesson. So let's take down this board. I thought it's just a highly discharged battery, but it's not. It's now turning on, but you can't charge it because the charging IC is fault. Charging IC is fault. So that's the charging port. Next to the charging port, that's the chip. This chip, which is getting hot, next to the charging port. So let's see how best we can replace that chip, if we can find one, or we can modify things to make this radio charge. I'm sure I do have some panels, if I do remember, not these ones. I have this panel. Let's see. Let's see if we can find something here. Maybe we can find something. Was if there's no charging light, it means our speaker won't charge. These are for space. So we have charging port. Next we have that chip. Hopefully this chip is working. Hopefully it's working. Let's replace that chip quickly. I'll take the one which is bent from this board. That's good. Hopefully our problem is solved. Hopefully that the chip which is getting very hot, the charging IC. Let's wait for the board to cool down and then we can test again. I think our chip is now cooled down. That the charging IC. Yeah, now it's today was a different story. Mostly what I'm finding on these radios is just to discharge the battery, charge battery, and the radio is now working. But now it's working, but it's not charging. And this chip was getting very hot. We replaced with another chip which we took from this board. So now let's see. Let's assemble everything and test. Will this gonna work? I don't know, but we have to test to see. So let's plug back the battery. Let's turn it on. Obviously it was turning on. Turning on, that's not our issue. Our issue is about charging. Let's turn it off. Let's plug in the charger. You can see we have the charging light. At first there was no charging light there. Again, charging light, take it off. So that was our problem, and it's good to put the right diagnosis at first time, this chip. So yeah, if you have this kind of speakers, you know what to check now. Okay, so let's take the main thing. Let's assemble everything and test. Good. On. Let's test it. I do have a flash here. And it's working fine. So I just finished putting back all the screws, and our radio is working fine, and it's charging. If we plug in the charger, we do have the charging light here. This light, off, on. You can see the red light is charging, and on the USB power meter is taking 460 milliamps, 480, which is fine for a one lithium cell, which is around 3.8 empty and fully charged 4.2. okay, so that's how you diagnose and fix things. You can easily go wrong thinking maybe it's a battery or something else, but this radio was not turning on when you plug in the battery connector, because the charging IC was shorted to ground on the plus of the battery terminal. Okay, so it's charging fine. Music you can play. So that was the repair for a Sunday, and you have a blessed weekend, guys, wherever you are. Yeah, that's the thing. So I'll stop this video now because it's weekend. I have to rest. I didn't come to fix, but I ended up fixing something. But I love you guys for the continuous support of the channel. I'm learning something, and you are also learning one or two things, which is good. So I just wish you a nice Sunday. See you tomorrow on Monday. Our radio is working fine. I can play it. You can see the LED. Everything is working fine. I don't have issues here. It's working fine. It's charging. So let's meet on the next game. Bye.